Okay, you say it again.
Hey, Natalie, what's Daddy do? No, what's Daddy do? Like this. What's Daddy do?
He fights the bad guys. With the blood.
With the blood?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's he do it? Show me. Like that? Do it. Stop.
We're going to throw you in the dog pound.
No.
Yes. I'm going to take you up to Hamilton County dog catcher. I'm throwing you in a crate.
No.
Because you're acting like an animal.
The bad guys.
Who fights the bad guys?
With the blood.
They got blood?
Yes.
Tell Nani, what kind of cup is this? What is that?
A big cup.
A big girl cup? No little girl cup for Sissy?
No.
You drink a big girl cup?
No, sissy. He
Ah,
fights the bad guy with the blood.
with the blood.
Mommy, he fights the blood. He fights the bad guy.
I know it.
Say, my daddy's tough.
With the blood.
Yeah, Daddy's tough with the blood.
Yes.
Who's got curly hair? Do you have crazy curly hair?
With the blood. He
Blood.
fights the bad guy with the
What in the world is wrong with you?
Doing cheese at you.
Yeah, I know it's cheese. For the love of all things holy, you crackhead.
He fights the bad guy with the blood.
Blood.